Hey guys, what's going on? So right now, I'm on my way to Brian's house to go check out a 92 Corvette that he called me about a couple of days ago. He kind of inherited this car a little while ago and doesn't really have the room for it. So he wanted to see if it's something I'd be interested in. And to be honest with you, I've been thinking about picking up a project car for the channel to do a little bit of work on. And something that ran pretty good, was in halfway decent condition. So you might have seen Brian on the channel a few times with us doing repairs over at Steve's house. So we figured we'd check this thing out. Besides, how can you not like an old vet, right? So let's go break Brian's door down and we'll see what he has hiding up there. There he is, the man himself. He's bound to crash on this thing. Hey, what are you doing? I was waiting for you to wipe out.
You here for the pile of friggin' nuts and bolts in a bucket? It's painted white.
No, I'm here to go tubing.
Hey, did you ever see the movie Argo? Go fuck yourself.
All right, so let's go into Brian's shop here and see what he has hiding. Is this the place with the vet? Hey, watch your nose.
I knows what I'm doing.
So this is the vet that we were talking about the other day.
This is the Corvette.
Right.
1992 Corvette, convertible or roadster.
Yep.
Cabriolet, whatever word you want to use that makes it sound like it's fancier than it is.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
That is what it is. It's a 30-year-old vet. You know, it's going to need a little bit of work, but we were looking for a resto car, something to pick at on the channel and stuff like that. And, you called me the other day to see if I might be interested in it. So let's take a quick walk around and check this thing out. So taking a quick walk around on the car, and, the car's 30 years old. It's been outside a little bit. Hasn't really been driven in the winter, which is good. We're up here in New Hampshire, and salt can kind of wreak havoc on cars in general. But what's good about a Corvette is they're fiberglass, right?
Yep, they're fiberglass, and they're great when it comes to corrosion, and awful when you get in an accident.
Yeah, I know my father worked on many of these cars back in the day, but they were checking the car over, and it seems to be pretty good. There's a few things we'll have to fix on it, and we'll just kind of go through it. But over and out, it's in pretty good shape. Brian, let's take this thing out and we'll take it for a test ride real quick and stretch its legs and see what it does. Two guys in a little vet. Two guys in a little vet.
There needs to be a COVID screen right here.
I know. All right, let's go down the road in this thing.
All right, so I'll stop breathing.
So Brian and I just took this thing out for a ride. It rode pretty good, so I'm going to load it up, put it on the car trailer, I'm going to take it back home. So we loaded up the vet on the U-Haul trailer, and we used the ratchet straps to tie it down. They worked pretty good. And, I drove it home back to our shop and, went a few hundred miles with the thing. It didn't budge at all. And to go grab a car, this is a great way to do it. It was, totally worth it. And the price is right to rent the car trailer. So if you need a trailer to go grab something, check out U-Haul. They have really good rates. And I'm glad that I went that route. We literally dodged tornadoes and hail getting this thing home. He's about 2.5 hours north of from where I'm at. And we were getting ready to load it up, getting ready to leave his place. And a warning came over the radio. There's tornadoes around where we were, golf ball size hail. So we had to wait for all that to dissipate before we could get this thing home. It's kind of crazy, really crazy weather up there. But time to go through this thing, and I'm going to get it all cleaned up. And as we do some work on this, we'll take some more videos and show you guys what we're doing.